Heaven Has Different Signs to Me by Emily Dickinson. Heaven has different signs to me sometimes. I think that moon is but a symbol of the place, and when again at dawn a mighty look runs round the world and settles in the hills. And oh, if it should be like that, upon the ignorance steals. The orchard, when the sun is on, the triumph of the birds, when they together victory make, some carnivals of clouds, the rapture of a finished day, returning to the west. All these remind us of the place that men call paradise, itself be fairer, we suppose, but how ourselves shall be adorned for a superior grace, not yet our eyes can see.